So going to try something a bit different today. Both my daily driver and biker out of action, so I am on the road. I am on the buses today because my garage is about 4 miles from my house, so I'm going to make the most of the hopper fare.
It's important to practice good hygiene, at least if you wanna run with my team. I'm about to get into some shit that I've seen. This fool's breath from it, so that'll melt.
Two people just meeting, very touch each other. Two spirits breathing, trying to carry you further. Two people just meeting, very touch each other.
That's the bus done. It wasn't that bad actually. And in London, if you jump on a bus and then jump on another one within an hour, it's called a hopper fare, and you only have to pay for the first bus. And all buses are £1.50. Doesn't matter how far you go, and they're all contactless. So got Sadiq Khan to thank for that. So cheers, Sadiq. But now on to the car. Yeah, so since last time, I've finally got all my parts down here, so I'll show you those in a second. It's quite dark. You can't see it, but I've got my seats and harnesses, steering wheel from the crashed one, so I guess I'll just get on with it. Now, in the other video, you saw me put these in. These are only temporary because it's all I had, and they worked, but you know, if I'm going for a proper lightweight style, the orange ones are the ones I need. And fortunately, from having like 3 E36s, I've got quite a few parts. I think they look much better as well, so I'll throw those on the rears. It's definitely the fronts that look worse. The rears don't look that bad actually with the clear. But as you can see, I've got loads of them. And as well as changing the ambers, I'm also going to change the headlights. I don't know if you can see that these angel lights are really yucky, and I just prefer it without them, to be honest. So these are the Bosch units. I think these are the older ones. If they've got you can see those little dots. For comparison, this is a Bosch one, but it's from an earlier car, but it's got no angel eyes, which I think just looks better. This is the car, nearly orange. I couldn't do the indicators, but it looks so much better. That's the front. Yeah, these are a different design on the earlier cars, so I need to rework that. But then the back's probably the favourite part. Much better. I guess I'll just test the lights now. But we're getting that much closer to the MOT as well. So now back in the car, looking at electrical issues. I thought that was a check engine light first, but that's the automatic transmission light warning, which is fine because it's been converted, so I'll like to remove that. The ABS one's going to be a bit annoying, got to solve that. I also think the reverse light hasn't been wired in because that's in reverse. And the white bit's not showing, so I've got to sort that. I'm sceptical the reverse light's working, so I'll check that as well. I'm not in a car, I'm actually in a van. It's a transporter. It's a Vauxhall something, honestly don't know. And today I am taking the 205 Rally to its new home for a while in London, or Essex. So I'm taking that down to my garage where I keep the BMW, and I'm bringing the BMW back up north to paint it and do some other things to it. So I've driven a trailer before, but this is the first time I've driven like a truck. So far it's quite nice. Like, it's an older truck, but it's a lot smoother than I thought it would be, and the seating position is quite cool. Unladen, it feels fine. It's got quite a lot of torque, but we'll wait and see when we put the 205 on it. That's not even that heavy, to be fair. The thing can take 1500 kilos. But yeah, the whip's the only thing to get used to, but other than that, it's quite car-like. I'll catch up with you when I'm loading the 205. Well, that's the car loaded. Electric winch makes such a difference, but even on a hill. Yeah, so to London.